Morning, I'm down at the Odyssey and we've got another super yacht in. This is the second big one in the last couple of weeks. Don't normally get these coming in at all. I haven't seen them coming in before. But the word must be getting out that Belfast is a pleasant and safe enough anchorage. This is the Jamaica Bay and it's a charter yacht. And it's in for the last number of days. If you wanted to hire this boat out, you're talking in the region of £250,000 per week to hire it out. So if you've got a few loose pounds about, you might think of that. That's all I'll be doing, thinking about it. Statistics, the boat is 200 feet long. It can accommodate 12 guests and it has a maximum of 17 crew. It weighs 1,143 tons. And it's 7 years old. It's a German ship. Inside there's traditional German and English furniture. It has a nautical range of about 4,000 miles. And at 15 knots an hour. Nice dining area down in there. A wee bonsai tree. I was varying bonsai the other about a week ago. Northern Ireland Bonsai Society. Lovely boat. probably in the region of a couple of 100 million. Maybe more, probably more.